Kia ora, it's Sam Gibson here, Head of Education for the Warehouse Group for Business. And this quick clip is just going to show you how to use our new back to school portal to build your 2022 stationery requirements. So your account manager would have sent you a unique link which you can click on and you'll get taken to your school's portal, and you can click here to start building those lists or packs. So once I click here, the first step that you do want to take is to click School Contact Person. So go through those details, make sure they're all correct, and the preferred store by default will be the closest to your school. You can also change that if needed, and then the order type is what you want to choose here as well. So I'm going to choose Packs to School, save changes, close that window, and then we can start to look at building our various classroom lists or packs as well. So in this instance, the portal already has last year's data for me as well. And if you've already previously worked with Warehouse Stationery, you will see that in here. So you can just go back to what you have had and edit that list and submit it so that it's ready for 2022. So if I'm going to add a new classroom, I can go here, add a classroom if I was going from scratch. And I would add in my year, my classroom, number of students, click add, and I can see that's come up here. From that point, I can see the status is new, and I can go to that list and start building it. So from this point, I can either search by categories, which we've got here. So if I click art, I might go to some colored pencils and add them in, go back to categories and start adding various resources in here. What you'll notice as well for your sustainability goals, we've also created sustainable badges in here so you can see what you're adding to your cart and whether that's some of our sustainable product or not. And that comes up in there as well. If I want to search by keywords, I can also go back here, search by keywords, and look at all of the different stock there and add it that way as well. So once I've done that, then I can push submit completed list once I'm finished, and you'll be asked if there's any stationery requirements or special requests that you'd like there as well. So if that's something that you weren't able to get, or there might be an example for an art class where you're asking your students to bring in an old t-shirt from home as well for painting. So you can put that there, submit stationery list. And at that point, if we go back to classrooms, we can see that that specific class there, the status moves to submitted. So that's ready to go. For existing lists as well, if you go into them like this one that's in progress, you'll see what's already in there from before. And then when it's ready to go, push submit completed list. A quick tip also is that if you have a class that is very similar, you can duplicate that list. And you can edit that list here, rename the various boxes up here. And then you can look to remove product or add product if you need to, save changes, and submit that completed list as well. So that's really making it easy for you. So once we go back to classrooms, we can check the status of all our different lists. If they are finished, make sure the submitted button has been clicked. And from that point, then we can get a quote sent to you. So I hope you found that useful, but if you need, you can get a hold of your account manager to talk you through it some more.